Netflix not working on Samsung Smart TV. A lot of people have been having issues with their Netflix not working on Samsung Smart TV. We explain the fix for the problem. 1. Check internet connection. If you're experiencing issues with your smart hub connecting to your Wi-Fi, or if you're having trouble streaming content, you should try performing a self-diagnosis test. To do this, press Home > Settings > Support > Device Care > Self-Diagnosis > Smart Hub Connection Test. Once you have run the test, contact your internet provider if any issues are detected. You'll need a stable enough data connection for the streaming service to work, at least 1 megabit per second for standard definition video, according to Netflix, 5 Mbps for HD, or 15 megabits per second for UHD. You may also want to consider upgrading your internet if you're still struggling. 2. Restart your Wi-Fi router. If your wireless router has a button, you can use this to reset it and solve almost any potential problem. As an alternative, unplug the cord for a few seconds and then plug back in. Be sure to contact your internet service provider, too, if you're experiencing issues with slow speeds. There may be a problem on their end. 3. Is Netflix down? Netflix may not work on Samsung Smart TV devices if there is an outage in your area. If you're suddenly having trouble using Netflix, or if you're trying to figure out whether the issue is related to your ISP or whether it's a widespread network issue, head over to Down Detector. This site tracks customer reports and tells you whether a site is up or not. 4. Power cycle Samsung TV. If Netflix freezes on your Samsung Smart TV, the first thing to do is to power cycle the device. To do this, unplug the television for at least a minute. Then, power it on and open the Netflix app. By resetting the device, you'll have an opportunity to start fresh and resolve any possible conflicts or issues with Netflix. 5. Sign out and sign in back. If Netflix isn't working on your Samsung TV, take a deep breath. We've identified the issue and found a fix. The workaround is simple. So long as you're using a remote control to access the Netflix app on your device, choose Help from the Netflix home screen, locate Sign Out, then press Yes. From there, sign back in with your password. 6. Install latest updates. It's important to keep in mind that older versions of the Netflix app may have compatibility issues with some of your devices. If you're having trouble getting Netflix to work on a Samsung TV or any other device, make sure the latest version of the app is installed. 7. Reset Samsung TV Smart Hub. If you're still experiencing issues with your Netflix app, resetting your Smart Hub is a last-ditch effort. Essentially the heart of your smart television, resetting your Smart Hub will log you out of all of your apps and remove them from your TV. Resetting your Smart TV may resolve various issues, including the Smart Hub not working, apps not responding or opening, and no picture. To reset your personal television, select the following steps. Press the Home button on your remote control. Scroll to and select Settings. Select Support. Choose Device Care. Select Self-Diagnosis. Use the directional to choose Reset Smart Hub. Enter PIN, default PIN is 0000. Please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Price. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video and don't forget to hit the like button.